Hello, Carol.
I think your son stood me up. We were supposed to meet here. Well, it's his last night as a free man. I just hope he makes it to the altar.
He's a fool if he doesn't. You're going to make a beautiful bride.
Thank you, Mr. Bradbury.
You know, it's a shame. In other circumstances, it could have been Dad.
I know Doug wants you there. Would you come to the wedding?
No, this is Alicia's show. I don't want to get in the way.
I'm sorry.
It's all right.
Oh, Peter! Oh, I've been looking everywhere for you. I'd like you to come to the wedding.
Thank you.